Hello guys, it's Allison here, bringing you another forex trading video. And during this video, I'm going to show you how I trade equidistant channels or parallel channels. Just two, as you can see on my screen, you have just two trend lines on either sides of price action at the top and at the bottom. Now, if you like this kind of videos, or you like forex trading, or you like my kind of forex trading videos, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification button, because what I find is that the vast majority of those who actually watch my videos for a long time and also who like my videos and comment are not actually subscribers. But when you subscribe and hit that button, then whenever I make new videos, you'll be among the first to be able to see that video, and which is quite good because the content here is actually free. Okay guys, so I'm going to dive right in and I'm going to show you what I have for you today. Okay, so on my chart, I've got the 4-hour chart of the EURGBP, and I'm going to show you why I want to do a buy trade on here, just using a few using the Equidistant channel, the parallel channel on the on TradingView, or on your MT4. It's called Equidistant channel. Either of them doesn't really matter. Now, what you're going to find is that basically I like to keep my trades very, very simple. And even those in my Telegram group, Telegram channels will tell you that I keep my trades really very, very simple. Okay. So why would this be a good trade idea to take? So at the moment, it looks like we are in a bit of an uptrend. Let's have a look at the daily time frame and have a look at that as well. So daily time frame, quick look and see. Well, it is actually, the last bit we had was, was literally trending upwards. That was the last bit, and then we had this massive retracement. Okay, so as you can see, when I went back to the 4-hour time frame, when I drew this channel, I actually did it so that it touches as many points as possible. If you're doing this by hand and all you have is MT4, you can draw the Equidistant channel on the MT4. But as long as you have as many points touching as possible, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can just draw them on either side of the price action. So this is already beginning to make a higher, it made this first push and then retraced. Now, if I bring in my Fibonacci retracement tool, you will see that this has already retraced about 60%, 61.8%. So it's almost 1 point. That is let me take it from here, and you see it's right bang on 61.8% retracement of all this move up here. So this tells me that it's probably going to continue on its way up. Okay, so I'm going to draw this arrow here. And put an arrow here, and I'm thinking, right, okay, this is going to take off from here and go all the way up here somewhere. Okay. That will be my trade idea, to buy around this zone, around this price area, and then you move up. Now, another factor I like to see in my trades is, let me remove that Fibonacci, keep the chart as clean as possible. You can see my chart is quite clean. Okay. Now, if you look at this line here that I have drawn here, it is an area. It is a significant area on the chart. Why is this significant? This area has acted previously as resistance. Okay. And it is now acting as support, and it is being retested all on the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. That makes it quite significant. Okay, let's reduce that one. No, let's not be too much ahead of ourselves. Okay, so so it's done that, and then this will allow you to have a very, very good risk to reward ratio, because your stop loss is going to be just somewhere around here. Okay, so if we take this tool here for a long position, and you go in here, right, you can see straight away you can actually have a very, very good risk to reward ratio. All right, good risk to reward ratio on this trade all the way up here. Okay, so you're talking what risk to reward is. What's that one? Let's have a look at that. You're talking almost around 4. The ratio is 4 to around 4. I don't know if you can see. Why is it not showing there? Let's see. So it's around 4.1 to 4. You can even make it even more tighter risk, to be honest with you. So this is my idea right now. Okay, so it goes all the way up here until it meets the upper channel, and this upper channel actually also coincides if I draw another horizontal line here with all these areas of resistance, it's going to come back to, okay, so this is one area there, and it could be any of these areas as well, okay. Nothing is ever set in stone, okay, so you should be thinking of taking profit around all these areas, okay. So guys, this is the general idea. You're looking for market structure. So in here we've got our channel pointing for an uptrend. We've had the first move up, a very major move up, and then we had a retracement, okay. And let me remove this one here, okay. So keep our chart quite clean, okay. So this is why I think it's going to be a very, very good trade, having retested this level, and it's almost held as support. So I have already taken a position up, a buy position up, and actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually publish an idea here, okay. So I like to keep trades real simple. So today is the what is it, 7th or 8th of February? I think it's the 8th of April 2020. So if you're watching this on the 8th, on the 9th of April 2020, I think this trade is still good to go. We're going to have a push up, and then it begins to make its way up to this very channel point here. You could also want to take profit around here if you wanted to, because this would be a place where resistance, where support might turn to resistance here, and they'll have a bounce back, and then it continues merry way up. This is just my projection, all right? So one place can, maybe your TP1, take profit one, should be here, and then your other final take profit can be around this zone. You can take your profit here as well, okay? So I hope this makes sense how I use the Equidistant channel. I also use it for another idea. Let me show you the idea, which I published a couple of days ago on NZD USD. Let me show you that idea. This was a couple of days ago as well. You know, don't be too confused by all the lines, just focus on the graph itself. So if let me show you how the idea has panned out so far. You can see the idea is already in profit. Let's play it and see from my entry the same strategy I'm using. You see that? Let's see, it's already in a bit of profit as we speak, okay? So this allows you to have a super. I actually entered this trade, and if I show you my Telegram group, I'm actually in this trade right now. You see, let me show you something. I'm actually in this trade right now. I'll show you this trade. So this is the trade I'm in right now. That is the NZD USD trade, which I entered about the same point I was showing you guys, okay? So you can see that this is about the point I entered. Let me bring up that chart again and show you. This is my MT4. So this is already 69 pips in profit. As you can see, today is the 8th. I entered this trade yesterday, early morning, very early morning, or late yesterday or so. I entered this trade. So you can see how this push up and then up it went. This is on the 1 hour time frame anyway, but just to give you more detail about the trade, okay? So guys, I hope this makes sense. We'll keep it simple, we'll keep it clean. If you want to join my Telegram channel, I'll leave a link below this video. And like I said, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I keep my trades simple, and many of them are quite profitable, okay? So guys, I'll leave it here. If you have any questions, leave it below, and hopefully see you in my next video. Take care, God bless you, and bye-bye.